Time with Trav. Do y'all have a friend with benefits? People who have friends with benefits want their cake and they want to eat it too. And I don't say that in a bad way. You want the companionship of a relationship without actually being in a relationship. What's going on, y'all? It's AyooTravv and I'm back, biggity back. I'm back again. Y'all, today I have K to the F to the C. That's it. I just got chicken. I didn't want to get on side today because I ain't really want to. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, let me say grace first. Father God, I come to you today to ask you out over this food. Please let bear nourishment to my body. Please let me digest this food properly in your name. I pray, amen, amen, one more time. Amen. I got my side of gravy over here. Let me show y'all this. Ooh. All right. Y'all know we gotta dip it in. Dip it in. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm putting my arm in the gravy cap over here. Probably been a minute since I had KFC, y'all. How y'all day going? Gotta make sure the bone clean before you try to get rid of it. Sorry, y'all. I was hungry. Ooh. I went to the gym early this morning. My nose itched. Oh my God. I went to the gym early this morning, so I had the rest of the day, to get other stuff done, but I ain't have to leave the house. So I took me a good on that. And woke up starving. Why would they do that? Oh! This is good, y'all. It's ready to get everywhere. All over my face. All over my face. All over my face. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna bite it. Mm. Tea time with Trav. Do y'all have a friend with benefits? If I'm being too nosy, y'all can tell me in the comments, that's fine. But I want to know, like, how does that work? I don't think I've had friends with benefits because anybody that, you know, I went a step further, I didn't call them my friend. So, I don't know if that was really a friend with benefits. A friend with benefits is basically somebody that, you know, y'all pretty much do almost everything as if y'all are in a relationship, but y'all technically not in a relationship. I don't know if I could do that. I don't know. Because I've been and went crazy the first time I see you with somebody else. Because I'm going to be like, that's my friend with benefits. Or, I don't know. I can't have a friend with benefits because those benefits are going to turn into me wanting to get married at that point. Oh, Griffin? I don't know if I would know how to set boundaries. And also, I don't know if I'll be able to abide by your boundaries. Because I'm going to want you to myself. Like, I was trying to think of another way to put it, but it really isn't. And I don't mean another way like, oh, you can't have friends, nothing like that. But I'm not going to want you to be giving somebody else the same privileges that I get. And when you're friends with benefits, that means you still are single. You can do whatever you want to do. You can talk to whoever you want to talk to, date whoever you want to date, etc. Excuse me. And I've been and got jealous. And I don't know what's worse, looking jealous or crazy. They pretty much go hand in hand, but I'm not built for that. And I feel like people who have friends with benefits want their cake and they want to eat it too. And I don't say that in a bad way, but it's the truth. You want the companionship of a relationship without actually being in a relationship. I get it. I just don't know if I can do it. It sounds nice. It sounds amazing. But, I don't know. Because sometimes you can't control your feelings. So, if I start to like you and want to be something more, but you don't, and you're cool with just being friends, I don't know if I'm be able to continue that friend with benefits contract. Because then now I'm gonna feel like I just feel like I'm too old. I'm not old at all, but I'm too old to be just willy nilly dating, or not dating, but y'all know the word. It's like, what's the purpose? We don't have an end goal if we're friends with benefits. So, when I put myself in a situation to get my feelings hurt, and I know people say, check your feelings at the door. If y'all establish that up front, then you have nothing to worry about. That's not true. That's not true. A lot of stuff you do establish up front, but with time, things can change. You cannot love somebody, or not even like somebody, but the more you're around them, then you begin to like them, and then it turns into love, etc. Some people you just don't be attracted to. It's like you're not physically attracted to them, but the more you're around them, now you like them. So I don't really agree with that. As long as y'all set boundaries up front, thing nobody is gonna catch feelings. That I don't think that's true at all. Excuse me. And that's me speaking for myself and for whoever that I could be in the friends with benefit type of thing with. I don't really. I mean, that's partially why I'm so single. Because a lot of people want that. They want that companionship. They want that buddy. They want to do the do, cuddle up, all this. Every night be all in your face, smiling in your face. Good morning this, good night that. How's your day going? How you been? Let me cook for you. They want to do all that, but they don't want to cuff you. It's like people are so scared of commitment. I feel like that's where friends with benefits came from. Somebody, back in the day, probably a man, didn't want to be tied to this one person, but they enjoyed doing everything they were doing with this one person. So that's how a friend with benefits was created. You have a girlfriend, you have a boyfriend, but we know what it is. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm. KFC tried to take me out. Whew. But how do y'all feel about where that bone came? I don't know. How do y'all feel about friends with benefits? Do you have one? Could you have one? Did you have one? Did I say that? Did you have one already? No, I think it said do you have one? I don't know. But y'all get what I'm saying though? About when I say that? I don't know if I commit to that. I'm gonna get out two of these big ones. Mm-hmm. Because the minute you post up and say you got a boyfriend, now I'm in my feelings. Now I gotta make a video about you. Tell everybody how you ain't nothing. I do be doing that. No, I wouldn't do that. Because then that make me look miserable and bitter. And I'm not neither one. Mm-mm. I'm gonna do that, y'all. I ain't gonna do that. When I tell y'all, speaking of, excuse me. One of my exes told me he gonna send me a cease and desist if I talk about him on my channel again. After I got done laughing, I got them together. I don't remember saying nobody's name on this channel and talking in a bad way. And if I did, that's my truth. That's my truth. I can't be stopped from speaking my truth. If you don't want me to speak my truth, then you shouldn't have did what you did or do what you do or say what you say. I'm gonna say these for later, y'all. Y'all know I don't eat leftovers, but these are good. I had crumbs all on me. Just a mess. I'm a mess, y'all. Yeah. I'm done. I'm full. And I'm done and I'm full and I'm done and I'm full. So I'm about to go ahead and sign out. So, y'all, shout out to everybody who got the sauce when I did that random flash sale for buy one, get one free. I was bored. I'm not even gonna lie. And I was like, why didn't I get them a sale? So that's what I did. And y'all had literally sold it out in an hour. Excuse me. I was like, oh my God. So thank y'all. Other than that, I do not have any. No, I don't. So, I don't think so. Check the description box below for the website, www.AyooTravv.com. They get the AYO sauce, AYO munch, AYO drip on that. Y'all see my hair on that. Y'all see my hair on that. Y'all see my hair on that. Yeah, I'm going to keep doing this. Max about to get my hair redone. Anyway, if you're not subscribed to the channel, the red button right there. Hit the bell right there, boom. So you can be notified each and every time I drop a new video. But if you want to stay connected with AyooTravv, jump back into the description. My scroll down to the bottom. Brrr, boom. I play too much. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Oh, I said that already. They're going to find my social media. Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Add me, follow me, leave me a comment on Instagram, leave me the DM on Instagram, leave me a comment on TikTok, leave me a DM on TikTok. Let me know what's up, but don't know, but want to see, but don't want to see, but want to say, but don't want to say, but want to see, but don't want to say. Other than that, it's been real. AyooTravv is out. Peace. Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm just waking up. I just stumbled over all the words. I'm adding stuff in. Let me get out of here.